Behind every good man, there's a good woman. That's the saying that seems to apply to Andros couple Alfonso and Andrea Smith. Julian Gibson talked with Alfonso Smith's better half about life on their farm in North Andros.
You better feed them.
We feed the horse twice a day, morning and afternoon. You give them water twice a day, and you have to clean the pen daily.
It's expensive for feeding it?
It is very expensive, very.
What kind of cost you looking at?
$20 per buy. And when you buy a pallet, you multiply that by 50. That's every 2 weeks.
Is this a hobby for you guys or a business opportunity?
Hobby, business. You can say both. Both of them.
It look like you guys are old McDonald. Y'all got everything here, dogs.
We have everything. We have ducks, we have the dogs, the pigs, chicken. What else? Everything.
When you guys started this?
We started this about 3 years ago. March, May, 3 years.
And how has it been?
It's good, it's challenging. At least you could wake up every morning and you know what you have to do. This is a daily thing for us. It's a good exercise. It keeps you going.
But it just goes to show that if people are looking for job opportunities, there's a lot of opportunities here in Andros.
It's a lot of opportunity. Trust me, there's a lot of opportunity here.
Julian Gibson, ZNS Network News.